Okay, Lumia nodes is exploding. The price is going to start increasing very soon. Almost 10,000 sold, 9,877, which means only 123 left before the price go up. Now, the price will go up by 5, 10, 15 bucks, so don't be surprised if you see the price over 1,000 bucks very soon. Now, I mentioned the Lumia nodes before they come out, and what was only 1 week ago. If you go and check my videos, and you will see, if you go to all my videos, you will see that I did the first video on July 18 was the first node. So exactly 10 days ago was the first video actually for Lumia nodes, which means they are sold almost 10,000 in only 10 days. Well, congratulations for everybody who ate in day number 1. And also, I'm not sure if you are very early or not, but let's go and let's dig it up and let's find out. So Lumia nodes, I made many videos for this. Also, I did giveaway, okay? And I'm going to do a new giveaway very soon. Use the code FEEL08 to get the node. This is the winner from last giveaway, and I'm going to send to maybe 6, maybe 10 more people. Again, 50 bucks each for everybody who are using my code. So stay tuned, this will be in the next 7-8 days time. So Lumia nodes, use just Rabi wallet or MetaMask. Make sure you use a ledger just to protect yourself if you want. You know, I highly suggest. Have some USDT at the moment, it's 1,000 bucks. Have one Matic at least for the fee, maybe much less, and then go and use to get the node. Now, when you buy the node, make sure you agree. Okay, you go there and you agree right here to click this one here, so you can to confirm you read their agreement. All right, so this is very hype nodes. Okay, look, 122 left. Okay, it's not a lot of left, so what's mean the hype is getting strong. Also, make sure you understand nothing here is financial advice. Do your own research and make sure you only put risk capital. If this is too expensive for you, get out. Maybe it's not for you. If you have some money spare to, you know, it's a crypto, so it's like gambling thing. So if you want something spare to invest or maybe to gamble, it depends how you look the things. Well, maybe this is for you, but that's up to you. I'm going to leave to decide for yourself. So check this out. They put here ROI calculator. So they say the price is 133 right now for Lumia node, okay? And they say projected return 1,885%. That is crazy, okay? And here you can go and see the full calculation of what they did and how they did. And here you can go and check the calculation, and you will see if this is realistic, is it make any sense or doesn't make any sense, okay? So there we go. It sounds very interesting. Everything is good when it's writing down on paper, but you know, but on the practice, everything is one on theoretical, but it's completely different on the practice. So I would like to see that everybody going to get even 800%, even 300%, even a couple of 100%, you know, in the next few months, maybe 1 year. Happy days for me, but 1,800%, I think that's extremely optimistic. But hey, check the full calculation and let me know what you think down in the description. Is it this make any sense for you? However, right now, don't forget there are almost 10,000 sold. That means there are 102,000 tokens split between everybody. Till today, from a one node, when I got the day number 1, I got 176 tokens. Okay, no ROI, no referrals, nothing on this wallet, because this is just for me personal, just for the YouTube, to show you how much exactly I'm going to get with one node got the first day number 1. So 176 tokens. Okay, if you do that, if you do the calculation, if you 176 so far, and if you combine that about 1.33 by the tokens, I have at the moment 234 bucks at this moment. Now the token going to come listed in about few weeks time, so we still have time to accumulate more tokens. Now if I get 230 tokens, that means I just did around 25% ROI day number 1 if I sell day number 1 and the price is still keeping the same. Again, we don't know what's going to happen and what will be the price. Is the price going to be more or not? And here you will see that you can go and delegate your tokens for 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months at 25% extra APY, and so on and so on. And this is also coming very soon, and this one is coming very soon. This is the way to earn more tokens. Now, this is the Lumia nodes is going to solve the real world tokens, okay? Real world RWA, the liquidity. So it's a big thing what's need to be solved. So if they solve what they're saying, this can be a banger. This can be a very good one to pay for the next 10 years. That's how long the node going to give you rewards for the next 10 years. But I say for me, the first 2 years is the most important, maybe 3 years, but I would say the first 2 years is the most important. Again, the token is out, and the token at the moment, it's not Miguel, it's called Orion. So Orion going to become Lumia, and that's why they say the price is 133, okay? And this is already listed on Binance, on KuCoin, and so on, on Coinbase, and that's mean they're going just to swap the name to Lumia. When is going to happen that, I don't know, but they have a big partners here, as you can see, like Near, like Binance, Mantra, KuCoin, Linear, OKX, and so on. So this team know what they're doing. Again, make sure you understand this is crypto and everything is risky, nothing is financial advice. All right, so that's about it, just to give you some updates for Lumia nodes. Now, is it worth it to get in or not? Few people ask me, is it too late? That's up to you. So use here this calculation sheet, make a math and see is it worth it for you or maybe it's not. Also, make sure you use my code PHIL08 because I'm going to give you a free giveaway for a lucky wheel. I'm going to choose few people and I'm going to post the lucky wheel in probably in the next 7 till 10 days, but by then maybe I'll do 1 or 2 more videos just to update you because this will be sold over 10,000 very soon. Let's see the video. We almost have 7 minutes and that's about it. Make sure you, if you're interested to learn for yield farming, make sure you use the link and join the free course right here from Underdog Investor Group, the best place to learn for crypto yield farming. I'm very deep into yield farming. You will see I did video for Solana, for base chain yield farming. Also, watch my video for helping in Africa, Philippines, and also in India. I'm doing my best to help. And also, if you like to find the low market cap gems, these people doing all the deep research for you and me. They're doing all the hard work. Make sure you join Portfolio Masters. Also, they have free Telegram and paid. Join the free and see their amazing results. All right, thank you so much. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about Lumia nodes and what do you think about this calculation sheet. Is this make any sense or not? Have a great day. God bless. Stay tuned. See you in the next one.